8.4 million views, 7.3 million views, 3.4 million views, and then another millions more. All of these videos are coming from a YouTube channel called AI Trailer Cinema. And here's the crazy part. They only post AI movie trailer videos. No actors, no expensive cameras, no huge production teams, just cinematic trailers generated with AI. Yet these videos keep going viral, pulling in millions of views over and over again. And when you check the estimated revenue, it gets even more interesting. This channel is reportedly making somewhere between $9,000 and $25,000 per month just from these AI cinematic trailers. But it's not just one channel doing this. Another channel called Epic AI Films is doing almost the exact same thing, posting AI-generated movie trailers and getting insane engagement. So I started digging deeper, and I discovered an AI tool that can create the same kind of videos with just one click and a short prompt. And here's the best part. This platform doesn't just generate clips. It can create the images, animate the scenes, generate the voiceover, add cinematic music, and build the entire trailer all inside one single tool. No external AI tools needed. What I really love about this platform is the consistency and the realistic cinematic quality, which is something most AI video tools struggle with. So if you want to learn how to create these viral AI movie trailer videos yourself, step by step, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to Katalist AI. I've placed the link right in the description below, so just open it up, and once you land on the website, you'll see a button that says Try for Free. Go ahead and click that. Once you're inside the platform, you'll immediately notice something pretty interesting. The dashboard actually shows you the different kinds of videos you can create using Katalist AI. This includes cinematic storytelling, explainer videos, animated sequences, and of course the type we're focusing on today, AI cinematic movie trailers. Now to start creating your project, look for the New Project button and click on it. At this stage, the platform will give you two options for starting your project. The first option allows you to upload a script. There's a second option called Generate Script, and that's the one we're going to use. So go ahead and select Generate Script. Now you'll see a simple prompt box where you can describe the type of video you want to create. The great thing here is that you don't need to write anything complicated. Just type a short idea or concept for your trailer. Once you enter your idea, you'll also see an option where you can increase or reduce the number of scenes that the AI will generate. After setting that, simply click Generate Script, and within seconds, the AI will automatically create a full cinematic script based on your idea. Even though the script is generated automatically, you're not locked into it. If you want to tweak something, you can easily edit the script directly inside the editor. Then go ahead and click Next. Now you'll arrive at the style selection page, and this is where things start to get fun. Katalist offers a variety of visual styles. Since we're making a cinematic trailer, we're going to select the cinematic style option. Right below that, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 again. Next, click Proceed to Cast. What Katalist does here is pretty impressive. It automatically generates the characters and cast for your story based on the script you created. Once the cast is ready, click Create Project. Now the AI begins the real magic. Katalist will start analyzing your script and automatically generate all the scenes for your project. In just a short moment, you'll see a full sequence of visual scene images appear for each part of your story. And honestly, the results are pretty amazing. The scenes look cinematic, the lighting feels dramatic, and the characters remain consistent across the story. But let's say you notice something in a scene that you want to change. Maybe the image isn't exactly how you imagined it. No problem. You can easily fix that. Just click the Edit button on the scene. Inside the editor, you'll find two powerful options. The first option is Regional Edit, and the second option is Regenerate, which simply creates a completely new version of that image. When you click Regenerate, you get a new image. With Regional Edit, you can simply describe the change, add a gun to a character. You can also adjust cinematic elements like camera movement, shot type, and camera angle to make the scene feel even more like a real movie shot. Once your scenes look exactly how you want them, it's time to turn them into a real video. Click on the timeline section. Here you'll see options to add narration, dialogue, and music. If you want the fastest option, you can simply click Auto Narration, and the AI will automatically generate a cinematic voiceover for your trailer. But if you want more control, you can also choose Add Voiceover and Music. Once everything is set, we move to the most exciting part. Click Generate All Video. Katalist integrates with several AI video generation models, so you'll see multiple options available. You can select one of the models depending on the style or quality you want. After choosing your preferred model, click Generate Videos and let the AI do its thing. Within a few minutes, your cinematic trailer will be fully rendered. When the process finishes, click Export. Now you can download the video file and use it directly for your YouTube channel or anywhere else you want. And honestly, after testing many AI video tools, I can say this is one of the best platforms I've come across. It's simple, powerful, and incredibly helpful because it can create entire cinematic movies with just a few clicks. If you want to try it yourself, Katalist currently offers 3 plans. The Essential plan starts at $19 per month. The Pro plan is $39. And if you want unlimited generation, there's an unlimited plan for $99. And that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more videos about AI filmmaking and powerful AI tools, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.